Welcome back to Simple Quant. Today we will cover fleeing flea, a medium difficulty question often asked in quantitative finance interviews. The question reads as follows. Freddy Flea is being chased by Eeeklebeep the Flea Muncher, and it needs to get to safety as fast as possible. The flea is sitting on one of the corners of a right parallelepiped with side lengths of 2, 2, and 3, and can run at a pace of 2.5 units per second. It is trying to reach the safety of the diagonally opposite corner, but it can only travel along the surface of the box. How many seconds will it take for the flea to reach the other corner? Alright, let's take a look. So here is a diagram depicting what is going on in this problem. We have Freddy on one corner, and his goal is to reach this opposite corner right here, while avoiding Eeeklebeep. The main insight into this problem is to turn the parallelepiped into a 2D shape. And this is what I've done right here. This is what the 2x2x3 parallelepiped looks unfolded. And I've labeled the start and the end points right there. So the shortest path between any 2 points is a diagonal. So what we're really looking for is the length of this diagonal right here. And how can we find that, you ask? Well, we know that each of these side lengths are 2, thus this side length must be 4, and this side length is 3. So we have a 4x3 triangle, and we're trying to find this long diagonal length. To do that, we can use the Pythagorean theorem, where a squared plus b squared equals c squared is the side lengths of a right triangle. And in this case, we have 4 squared plus 3 squared square root equals the fifth side length, and that is the same as square root of 16 plus 9 equals square root of 25, which is 5. So our side length and our total distance that Freddy needs to cover is actually 5. So finally, we got to calculate the time it takes. We know the total distance he needs to cover is 5 units, and the speed he travels at is 2.5 units per second. We can use the time, distance, and speed formula, which is related as time equals total distance over speed, which finally gets us that the time is 5 divided by 2.5, with a final answer of 2 seconds. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for listening.